Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 6, 2026. It's a very hot, muggy day. Meteorologist says we have chances of rain today. It's supposed to have rain right now and this afternoon and maybe this evening. It's very hot and muggy. And my goal today is probably just to start this, but to get these chain link panels down so I can change the whole western garden plot here quite a bit. So I went ahead and hooked up the tree grabber because my thought is, working by myself, this is going to be a challenge. I'll hold it steady, the panels, with the tree grabber. Then I'll disconnect the couplers here that hold them together, and the cable ties, and the wire that holds it to the T-posts on both sides, and then I'll gradually pick one up at a time and put them into the dump trailer. Now I had to dig the dump trailer, I had to unload the dump trailer, and it was in the woods, and well, this has been a few hour project here already. And unfortunately my grease zerks are no longer there for my doors, and I have been working on this. I've been using the PB blaster, the WD-40, using my breaker sets. What I really need is a good set of torches, but they got destroyed when the building collapsed, and I haven't replaced that yet. But I've been working on this for a while, for a couple of hours. But I got the door, the gate, so it'll swing some with a lot of work. And I keep hitting it with a PB blaster. I'll give it some time. But that's my plan for the day. Actually, it took quite a bit just to get to this point, but so far so good. I'll put these things in just in case it does start raining. And I've got to contact the lawyer and my brokerage this morning, trying to get the right paperwork to the IRS, to my lawyer, so that they can get it to the IRS in New York State. Anyways, it's just, life is full of little challenges along the way. All right, so I'm going to take a quick break here. Hopefully the gates will swing better, and I can start taking these panels apart, put them in the dump trailer, and things will work out a little more smoothly. If I can just get these panels down, then I can get the T-posts out after that, and just take it bit by bit. Anyways, that's the plan today. Sorry, I just wanted to get a couple things out here and then explain what I was going to do. But sometimes things don't work out as well as planned. Anyways, here we go. Let's see what we can get done today.
Sun up, boots on, hit the ground running. Sweat on my brow, yeah, I keep the engine humming. Stacking days like firewood tall, but even the strongest need time to let it fall. Punch that clock, give it my best, but when the whistle blows, I need some rest. Don't need much, just a sky full of stars, good friends, warm hearts, maybe a few guitars. Yes, I work hard, no shame in that, but I laugh loud and I tip my hat to the ones who grind and still find the sun. Yeah, life's too short not to have some fun. I sit by the pond, love listening to frogs, watch the birds fly as the day unwinds. It's all about balance when the work is done. I work hard, but I play right when it's time for fun. No fishing lines, no neon signs, just quiet nights and whispering pines. At home in the paradise we built, where the breeze is soft and the air stands still. We listen close to what the wild things say, nature's voice at the end of the day. Crickets singing, owls in flight, yeah, peace like that feels just right. Yes, I work hard, no shame in that, but I laugh loud slow it down on this patch of heaven outside of town. A little quiet, a little grace, keeps me strong to face the race. Yes, I work hard, no shame in that, but I raise my glass and I lean back to the ones who hustle and still chase the sun. Yeah, life's a gift, don't forget to run. Barefoot walking through a morning dew, thanking God for this peaceful view. Yeah, I give my all till the job is done. I work hard and I still have fun. Work hard, play right, that's the rhythm of a good life. Woke up with a dream burning in my soul. World's heavy on my shoulders, but I won't let it take control. Every step's a battle, every day's a fight, but I'm carving out my future in the darkness of the night. No shortcuts, no easy way, gotta grind, gotta seize the day. With my heart on fire, I'll never quit. Piece by piece, I'm building it. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, these are the keys to the life I'm gonna win. Step by step, I'm breaking the chain. Forever changed, I'll never be the same. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, turn my dreams to reality. Let the story begin. Sweat on my brow, but my eyes stay clear. Drowning out the doubts, I'm silencing the fear. Every sacrifice, every late night grind shapes the path ahead, leaves the past behind. No shortcuts, no easy way, gotta grind, gotta seize the day. With my heart on fire, I'll never quit. Piece by piece, I'm building it. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, these are the keys to the life I'm gonna win. Step by step, I'm breaking the chain. Forever changed, I'll never be the same. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, turn my dreams to reality. Let the story begin. The road is long, but I'm stronger now. Each scar's a lesson, each fall shows me how. Discipline's my compass, focus is my guide. Consistency is the fuel that keeps my fire alive. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, these are the keys to the life I'm gonna win. Step by step, I'm breaking the chain. Forever changed, I'll never be the same. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, turn my dreams to reality. Let the story begin. Now I'm standing tall, with my heart held high, built a better life beneath the open sky. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, changed my life forever. Now the future's mine to spin.
Small hands, big chores, standing on a chair, washing dishes, hauling loads, learning to care, pulling nails, raking leaves brick by brick, every little task. Another chance to stick. Biked from the dump, pieced them together, sold them for pennies, dreams light as leather. Night crawlers in jars, leeches from the creek, finding ways to survive every week. Work taught me how to rise, how to stand, how to take life's challenges straight in hand. Through sweat and struggle, I found my way. Survival and lessons shape me every day. Dad was gone, winter's cruel and cold. Living in a car, young and bold. Busboy, cook, gas station nights. Learning to fight through the lonely fights. Factory floors with machines that pound. Monotony noise, the line spinning round. But in the chaos, I learned to see the value of focus, integrity. Work taught me how to rise, how to stand, how to take life's challenges straight in hand. Through sweat and struggle, I found my way. Survival and lessons shape me every day. I saw the shortcuts, the rules being broken. I chose my own path. Was quiet devotion, no praise from the world, but I know inside the work I did matter. It couldn't hide. Work taught me how to rise, how to stand, how to take life's challenges straight in hand. Through sweat and struggle, I found my way. Survival and lessons shape me every day. Yeah, survival and lessons shape me every day.
Well, it's been a challenging day today. Some things are better, some things aren't. I did get all of the kennel panels down and put on here. Geez, I lost one off to the side earlier, and some of them I damaged because of grabbing them with the tree grabber. Well, it pinches. I tried to get it here and just get enough tension on it to hold it. Well, that didn't work out so well. And a couple of them were older and pretty rusty. And I was able to get this a little bit better. I mean, it is not good, but I can move it now. I gotta put new grease zerks on here and pull that bolt out. I have to buy another set of torches. I got these on. So I used a tree grabber to grab a hold of the top of all of the kennel panels, which worked out fairly well. I mean, for one guy working by himself, it worked out well. With the excavator, with the teeth, it would really damage the chain link itself, because you really can't see as well when you're controlling, and when you're closing the grasper at the same time it always does a little bit of a twist. And being up at that height, the visibility of it isn't that great from inside the unit. Then I hooked up my little ball hitch on here to move it because I dropped one of the panels over the side. Got that one on there now. I grabbed the rebar, 5/8 number 5 rebar, and brought that out and put it on the deck over trailer. Tomorrow, if things go well, I'll hook up the tree puller and pull out all the T-posts. Then I got to pick up all the blocks and bricks all the way around. I think I got all of the hardware in that bucket for the kennel panels. I believe I got it all in there. So I'll pull out all the posts tomorrow if things go well. And then I'll gather up all of the gates and all. And I'll probably grab the gates from the other side over there on the western garden plot, because the deer walk through there, the geese walk through there all the time. But I've got weed mat around here. It was to prevent or to deter some of the weeds, but that did not work very well. Then after I've got the T-posts, the blocks up, the weed mat up, then I can start excavating out this fill from here and make it go down more gradually. That is my plan. And we'll see how all of this works, because this is a pretty steep slope here. I brought this right up to level before, but I may just go ahead and push the good topsoil back some, sculpt it down, and then bring the topsoil back over here, so that I do have a place to put the blueberry plants if this fall, if everything else doesn't work out that well. And things have not worked out with my broker, Fidelity. They're not going to report the taxes that I paid for 2025, and I paid them in January before the 15th. And unfortunately a 1099 wasn't there, so the IRS in New York State aren't recognizing the money that they have in their funds. So I need to go in now, sell a whole bunch of my shares when the share price is down, unfortunately, and pay several $100,000 of taxes. Anyways, not a great day, but you know what? We get knocked down every once in a while. We just need to pick ourselves back up and make the best of the situation. So thanks so much for watching, folks. I hope you have a great day, a much better day than I've had today. Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.